So very good morning to all of you children. So in today's session, we have already discussed, we know very well how many letters are there in English alphabet, and vowels and consonants together make the letters in English alphabet. Okay, so we know very well how many letters are there in English alphabet. Come on, give me the answer. How many letters are there in English alphabet? Just a recapping. Yes, how many letters are there? Come on, all of you.
26.
26. Very good. 26. Yes,
26.
only once. Yes.
26 letters are there.
Yeah, 26 letters in English alphabet. Yes, very good. So out of these 26 letters, how many are vowels? Come on, give me the answer. Quick.
5.
Yes. These, so we know that 5 are vowels. Remaining how many letters are there? Come on. Remaining how many letters? And what are they?
21
And what are they called?
Consonants are 21 letters.
I want to answer.
Consonants.
They are called. That is what I wanted. Yes, it is. They are consonants. How do you pronounce the word? Consonants. Is that clear to all of you? Yes. Got it? Yes, we know that they are friends, and these vowels and consonants make words. Okay, so in today's exercise, we have already completed exercise A and exercise B and exercise C also we have completed. Now finally, we'll move on to exercise D. It is nothing but we have to underline the vowels in the following words. We know how important vowels are in English alphabet. Without the vowels, we cannot make any words in English language. Is that clear to all of you? So let's learn that very well. Let's be thorough with the vowels. So in this exercise, we have one more exercise to be completed in worksheet 1, children. That is exercise D. What are we supposed to do is exercise is so simple. Just we have to underline the vowels. Okay, clear? Can we do it? Can we do it? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, children. So let's move on to it. Yes. Okay, then. So let's move on to the, yes, I'm ready here. So let's move on. Yes. So this is all done.
Ma'am.
I hope all of you are ready.
Ma'am.
We have to finish worksheet 1. We have to say bye to worksheet 1.
I'm right.
Yes, you have to write it. So as it is the first worksheet, we have something to do it. We
I'm right.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Write it. All of you, please do get ready with your pencil and your work to take it. So we have finished with exercise A. We know what is exercise A is. We have completed it. Then we learnt about the exercise B. Exercise B is nothing but we have to insert vowels. I hope we have completed with this exercise. Have we not completed with this exercise, children? Yes, I hope so. We have completed long back. Yes, no, children, we have completed all the words. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. Now we have also completed with this exercise, that is exercise C, that we have to sort out the words in 2 boxes. In one box, we have to write all the words that starts with the vowels, and in the next box, that is box B, we have to write all the words that starts with consonants. Okay. Now I hope we have also finished with this exercise too. Have you not finished, children? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. I told you the remaining words, if they are there, you can do it by yourself. Okay. Answer keys will be sent to you. Don't get worried. If you want me to discuss, I'll be discussing it for you. So answers here, you have to write in box A all the words that start with vowels, box B all the words with consonants. Okay. Now finally, we'll move on to the final exercise. That is exercise D in worksheet 1. So but today we have to finish worksheet 1. It is very, very easy exercise. What are we supposed to do? We have to underline the vowels in the following words. Is that not quite easy, children? What are we supposed to do? We have to underline the vowels in, yes, we have to underline the vowels in the following words. Can we do it? Are you all ready? Are you all ready with your pencils? Yes. Now, Sai Krishna, come on, Sai. Sai Krishna, are you all ready? Yes, Sai Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on. Read the first word for me. Yes, come on.
But
Yes, it is bird. And where is the vowel in it? Which is the vowel there? Come on, Sai Krishna. Where is the vowel in that?
consonant.
No, I'm not asking about the consonant. Is there any vowel? Where is the word? You have to identify the vowel in the word. So which is the vowel in this word? What is the question here?
That's right.
Yes, it is I, it is the vowel here. Okay, I'll take that. It will be. Okay, so what we have to do is, we have to underline E. Sorry, underline I. This is the way we have to do it. Okay, Sai Krishna, have all of you understood? We have to underline the vowel. Okay, Sai Krishna, I hope you have, all of you have understood. Okay. Now let's move on to Nilha. Nilha, come on. Yes, okay. Nilha, come on, read the next word and come on, tell me which are the vowels in it. Which are the vowels?
G R R D.
Yes. Now come on, tell me the vowels in it. Which are the vowels there?
O.
Oh, very good. So there are 2 O's. So please do underline it. This is a very easy exercise. All of you, please do it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Johan, come on. Read the word here.
Here.
Yes, come on, tell me. Is there any vowel?
E.
Yes, E. How many E's are there?
2.
2 E's. Yes, very good. So we have to underline. Please, all of you, please do underline. Yes, 2 E's are there. Very good, Johan. So that is the way you do it. Very easy it is. Sia, come on, Sia. Sia, PS. Sia.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, read the 4th word for me. Which is the 4th word here? Come on, read the word. Come on, Sia, which is the 4th word here? How do we read this word? It is leaf. How do we read it? Leaf. Is there any vowel in it? How many vowels in that word leaf? How many words, how many letters are there in that word leaf?
E and A vowel.
Very good, very good. E and A are vowels there. Very good, Sia. Very good. Okay. Now, Ishan, TS, come on. We'll move on to the next word. Take the 5th word, Ishan. Very good, Sia.
Yes, ma'am. Long.
Ah,
O is vowel.
yes, O is a vowel there. Very good, Ishan.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Ishan.
ma'am, tomorrow class not finish note.
What is that?
Tomorrow class not finish the note. C.
Ishan Krishna, tell your mom to call me, okay? I couldn't hear you properly. Okay. Is there any? Okay then. Okay, Devash, come on, Devash. 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 Come on, read the next word. Yes, read the next word, 6th word.
Poor.
Poor. Yes. So,
O.
oh, how many O's are there?
2.
2. Very good. Are you doing it in your workbook? Yes,
Yes.
all of you? Yes?
Yes.
Now, let's move on to Sarah. Sarah, come on, do the 7th word, Sarah.
O.
Oh, first read the word. Which is the 7th word there? Brown. Yes, the word is brown. Now, is there any vowel in it?
Yes.
Yes, which is the letter? O, yes.
O.
So we are going to underline the vowel in the word brown. So it is O. Okay? So all of you please do it. Shankar. Shankar, your full name is what, Shankar? Yes, P.A. Shankar Krishnava. Yes, got it, got it. Shankar, come on. Do the next word for me.
Clean.
Yes, it is no eighth word. How do we? It is clean. It is clean. Okay, which are the vowels in it? Yes, come on, tell me the answer. Who's doing it? Where is he? Yes, Shankar. What happened? Repeat the word once more.
Clean.
Clean. Okay. Now pick out the vowels in it. How many vowels are there?
2.
2. What are they?
L.
E and?
E and A.
A. Very good. That's all. E and A. Okay. Okay, Shankar. Very good. Now let's move on to the next person. Elroy, come on, Elroy. Elroy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, read the
Delhi.
next word. Yes,
Delhi.
Delhi. Very good. Now pick out the vowels. How many vowels are there?
E and I.
Yes, E and I.
E
I hope all
and
of you
I.
are doing this exercise in your workbook. Please do it. It's just a matter of underlining the vowels and the letters. Yes. Sorry, underlining the vowels and the words. Okay? Yes. So it is very good. Ivania, come on, Ivania. Read the 10th word. Yes, Ivania. How do you pronounce the 10th word? How do you pronounce this word? It's not audible to me. I don't know. Sorry. Ivania, come on. Read the word. The 10th word. Ivania, are you there? No? Ivania is not there. Okay then. Shiza. Shiza. Come on, read the 10th word, Shiza. Unmuted, Shiza. I've unmuted you.
Ma'am.
Yes, come on. Shiza is not there.
Let. Lee.
It is earth. So which are the vowels?
E A.
E and A. Very good. So E and A are the vowels in it. Very good. Lakshana, yes. Lakshana, unmuted. Come on, read the 11th word for me. Yes.
H-E-A-V.
Yes. H-E-A-V-Y. It is heavy. So which are the vowels in it?
E-A.
E-A. Very good. E-A. These are the vowels. Very good. Rukma. Yes, very good. Rukma. Come on, read the next word. 12th word. Rukma.
Happy.
Happy. Okay. Now, pick out the vowel in it. Is there any vowel in that word happy?
A.
A. Very good. So please do underline the vowel. Yes. So this is the way you do it. Do it very, very neatly. Okay, Rukma. Very good. Hyra. Hyra, come on, Hyra. Read the 13th word for me, Hyra. Haira, Fatima, Ayara.
Light.
Yes, Haira. Yes, light. Now pick out the vowel in it, Haira. Yes, come on, Haira. Which is the vowel in it? I. Yes, that's all. I is a vowel there. Okay. Fardeen. Fardeen, come on, Fardeen. Fardeen. Have I unmuted you, Fardeen? Yes. Come on, read the 14th word.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Fardina also finish.
Finished. Okay, okay, okay. I'm sorry. Avish? Avish? 14th word. Yes, Avish. Avish, come on, read the 14th word.
Round.
Yes, it is round. So how many vowels are there in it, in the word round?
OU.
OU, very good. It is OU in the word round. There are 2 vowels. Okay, O and U. Very good. Yes, very good. Now let's move on to the next person. Yes, Sankalp. Sankalp. Come on, read the 15th word for me, Sankalp.
Shoes.
Shoes, very good. Now pick out the vowels. I hope I'm audible to everyone. Yes, come on.
E.
O-E, very good. O and E, very good. Yes. Now let's move on to Abel. Abel, come on, Abel. We'll move on to the 16th word, Abel. Abel,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, come on. Abel is not there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Abel, come on, do the 16th word.
SMALL.
How do we pronounce the word S-M-A-L-L? It is? Yes, come on. S-M-A-L-L, it is small. So how many vowels are there in it? There's only? Yes, Abel. Abel, where did you
Yes,
go?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
where
ma'am.
did you go? It is small. How many vowels are there? Pick up the vowels in it. We are in the 16th word.
Okay, ma'am.
Come on, do it.
M.
It is? Identify the vowel in it. Yes, M-A-L-L. Which is the vowel there? There's only one vowel in it. Which is that letter?
A.
A, very good. That's all. Okay. Okay then. Now let's move on to, I saw a few children here. I haven't called them. Yes, Ivan. Ivan and Ivania. Both of you do it. Okay, first Ivan do it. Ivan and Ivania.
Yes, ma'am.
Ivan, read the 17th word. Ivan. Ivan Shaiju. Yes.
Clever.
What is C-L-E-V-E-R? It is clever. Okay. Now pick out the vowels. Are there any vowel letter in it? Yes, which are the vowel letters there?
2.
2.
E.
E, very good. 2 E's are there. So we have to underline it. That's all. Now, Ivania, do the next word. 18th word for me. Yes, 18th word. Read out the word. How do you pronounce the word? It is? Come on, Ivania. This is Ivania, no? Yes. Come on, do it. Ivania. How do you pronounce the word? It is? Come on, quickly do it. It is circus. So how many? Circus. Yes, have you not seen circus? Circus. So in that word, how many vowels are there? How many vowels are there?
I-U.
I and U. Very good. It is I and U. 2 vowels are there. Okay, very good, Ivania. Okay. Now let's move on to Elvin Mario. Elvin Mario. Come on, Elvin. Come on,
Yes.
we'll go to the 19th word now. Come on, read the 19th word.
F-A-R-M-E-R.
Okay, how do you pronounce the word? F-A-R-M-E-R. So how do you pronounce? Farmer. How do you pronounce it? Farmer.
Wow.
Here R's are there. R it is, we are not giving stress to the word. So we pronounce the word as farmer. Okay, so pick out the
Farmer.
vowels in it. Yes, which are the vowels there? Is there any vowels?
A-E.
Yes, A-E. So there are 2 vowels in it. Yes, very good. Okay, now let's move on to the next person.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Amin Babu. Yes, Amin Babu.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Amin Babu, come on.
Yes,
Read the
ma'am.
20th word. Read the 20th word.
F-L-O-W-E-R.
Okay, how do you pronounce the word? Flower. Okay, flower. Okay, we say it is as flower. Okay, so how many vowels are there? 2. Yes, what are they? O and? Come on, tell me.
O-E.
E, very good. Yes, okay. Hadia. Hadia is there? Hadia Fatima? Yes, Hadia, come on. Did I call you Hadia? I hope so. I've called you, no? Once? Yes, yes, yes. Hadia, I called you. Is there anybody else whom I haven't called? There are many are there, but Hamdan, I did not call you. I think so. I've called you once, Hamdan. No? Have I called you once? No? Okay then. Come on, tell me. Hamdan. Come on, let's move on to the 21st word, Hamdan. Unmute it, Hamdan, then.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do it.
H-U-N-G-R-Y.
Why? So what is that? How do you pronounce the word? Hungry.
Hungry.
Yes, say it again. Hungry.
Hungry.
Okay. Now pick out the vowels in it. Is there any vowel in it, Hamdan?
U.
You, very good. So what we have to do, we have to underline the vowel in the word hungry. Okay, do it. All of you do it. Kevin, come on. The next. Yes. Kevin, unmuted Kevin.
Ma'am.
Yes, read the 22nd word.
Honest.
Yes, honest. How do you pronounce here? Even though the word starts with H, H is silent here. So how do you pronounce the word honest? How do you pronounce the word? It is honest. Honest. So how many vowels are there in it? Yes, come on fast.
2, ma'am. 2 vowels.
2 vowels. What are they?
O-E.
E. Very good. O and E. Okay, very good. Prayaga Manoj, did you get the chance? No, no. Prayaga Manoj. Come on, Prayaga. Come on. Prayaga. Prayaga, come on, do the 23rd word.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read the word. Pronounce the word.
Indian.
Indian. How do you pronounce the word? It is Indian. Okay, now pick out the vowels in it. How many eyes are there?
2 eyes.
2 eyes. Very good.
And A.
A.
There are
Very
3 vowels.
Yes, there are
2
3
eyes
vowels
and-
in it. Yes, very good, Prayaga. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Then, Prithvi Ramesh. Prithvi Ramesh, come on. Prithvi Ramesh, come on. Prithvi Ramesh, come on, do the 24th word. Prithvi Ramesh. Is it not there? Prithvi Ramesh is not there? Just now I called.
ma'am.
Yes, come on. Do the 24th word, Prithvi. How do we, yes, pronounce the word. It is a name of a boy. So,
Naresh.
Naresh, yes. How many vowels are there in the word Naresh?
There are 2 vowels.
Okay, very good. So, what are they?
They
Come on, tell me. It is?
there are 2 vowels.
Yes, what you said is right.
The A and E.
Very good. A and E. Very good, Prithvi. Yes, very good. Now, I'm searching for those children, those who haven't got a chance. Ishan Krishna, I got things, so he has got. Ishan Krishna. Naumika, did you get the chance, Naumika? Naumika, did I call you? I hope so. No. Yes, Naumika. Come on, read the 25th word, Naumika. Am I audible to everyone? Yes. Naumika, come on. 25th word.
L-A-N-E.
Yes, P-L-A-N-E-T. Yes. So, it is planet. How do you pronounce the word? It is planet. Okay. So, your duty is to just to pick out the vowels in it. How many vowels are there in the word planet? Earth is a planet. Okay, when you go to the higher classes, you will learn about planets.
2 vowels.
2 vowels. What are they?
A,
A,
E.
E. Very good. A and E. Very good. I hope all of you are doing it. It's a very easy exercise. Nothing much to do. Yes, it's just a matter of underlining. But when you underline it, children, see how man is doing it. Similarly, you have to do it with your pencil. Okay? Shiza, did you get a chance? Did I call you? I called you once. Yes, Shiza. Shiza Faria. Yes, come on. Read the 26th word. How do you pronounce the word?
Strong.
Yes, it is this word, 26th word.
Strong.
Strong. How do you pronounce the word? It is strong. Okay, now
Strong.
strong. Okay, now pick out the vowels in it.
1 vowel.
Very good. There's only 1 vowel. What is it?
O.
Oh, very good. It is O.
O.
Very good. Okay. Yes. Now, there
Thank
are
you,
few more
ma'am.
words. Very good, very good. There are few more. Okay, let me stop sharing. Let me see. All of you, are all of you doing it? Is there anyone who hasn't, is not? Anyone who is not doing? Ananya hasn't got a chance, no? Yes. Alna is there? Alna, I did not see Alna, Alnarun. Alnarun also did. So Ananya and Anna will be doing it. Okay? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ananya. Come on, Ananya. Read the 27th word.
Turban.
Turban. Very good. Turban. Turban means what? Something. Have you not seen the sick people tying something, tying a cloth around their head? That is known as a turban. Okay. So, could you tell me how many vowel letters are there in the word
2
turban?
vowels are there.
Yes. What are they?
U and A.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Ananya, very
Thank
good.
you, ma'am.
Yes. Now, Alna, come on, unmute it. Alna, Unmute it, Alna.
Naughty.
Yes, do the next word. Naughty. Very good. Naughty. How many vowels are there in it?
U.
A-U. Very good. A-U. 2 vowels are there. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Now, very good. Now, let's move on to Alna's over. Now, Devash, come on, Devash. Devash, come on, we'll move on to the 29th word. Now, almost 29 children have got the chance to do this exercise, you know. Very good. Yes, read the 29th word. Yes, teacher, very good. So, how many vowels are there in it? Come on, tell me. E. Only E is there? A, very good. Then? E, very good. Very good, Devash. Now I wanted to find some more children. Prayaga, Ivana. I'm not getting. Esther Biju is not there. Esther Biju is absent. Esther, if Esther is there, please do raise your hand. Esther is not there. Hamdan Nabil, yes, I got it. Hamdan. Hamdan, please do raise your hand, Hamdan. Yes, Hamdan. Okay, okay. I saw you, I saw you. Olivia is here, children. Olivia. Only Olivia, raise your hands. I couldn't see her. Okay. Ritik. Ritik Sunil is here. Okay, Ritik Sunil is not here. Vivek Kumar is here. Ryan Salish. All these children, I couldn't find them. Okay. Then who hasn't got the chance here? One more, the last student, before we wind up today's session. Abel Anthony, you did not get the chance, Abel? Yes, I've called you, I suppose. Who hasn't got the chance? Please do raise your hands. Prayaga Manoj, did you get the chance? Prayaga? Yes, I hope so. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Krishnag, very good. Krishnag hasn't got the chance. Yes. Come on, Krishnag. Do the 30th word before we wind up today's session. So this is exercise. Children, this is a very easy exercise. So with this, we'll be completing the worksheet 1. Okay? So the notes will be sent to you. See that you copy down the notes. Yes. Krishna, come on, do the 30th word for me. Only with that, we are going to wind up. 30th word, Krishnang. Come on. I haven't... Krishnang, are you there? Krishnang, unmute it, please. Unmute it. Yes. Now you do it. Do the 30th word.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Okay, pick out the vowels in it. There are many vowels in it. Yes.
5 vowels.
5 vowels. Very good. Which are those? E, A, U, Then. Come on. Then. What you said is right. Yes, I and
U.
Very good. So there are 5 vowels. So have you noticed here, children, there are 30 words are there. So in every word, there is a vowel in it. So we have understood how vowels are important. Okay. So vowels are very important. So in every word, there is no word in English language without a vowel, as I've already told you. So with this, we are going to wind up today's session. So we have completed with this exercise, children. So the notes will be sent to you. See that you copy down all the notes. Notes as such as over, children. Workbook exercises has to be done. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So have all of you completed all the exercises in your workbook? We have completed it.
Yes, ma'am.
I will send it in the WhatsApp for you. Yes. Those who haven't completed it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. By today.
Prayaga completed everything.
Yes. I know it, my dear children. You have completed it. But I'll be sending it. See that you do it. And with this, we'll be, the worksheet 1 is over. From the next session onwards, we'll move on to the worksheet. Okay, children. So thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.